Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no voiceover. Today's video we're doing the perfect Senegalese twist. I'll be showing you how you can twist properly without it being unraveling. Right here is just my wig prep. I've done this video countless times. I'll put the link in the description box on how I did this part. It's basically I ventilated the base of my wig using expression braiding hair. Just using the same braiding hair I'm going to braid it on. I use color 35 expression, that's wine. Yeah, okay, right now I'm just trying to separate my braiding hair. I don't like to braid my hair first, like do like a little box braid before I start twisting the hair. So right now I'm just trying to separate them to get them ready for braiding.
Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both.
Okay, I'm gonna start by doing a little box braid. This helps the hair to secure the braid tightly. So I started by braiding the root first with my braiding hair, as you can see, doing a box braid to an extent. Then now I'll now go ahead and separate the braiding hair into two to start twisting it like so. So I'll separate into two. I'll take one to the other end, take the other one to the other end, and I begin to twist. So this is where the trick is. You really need to twist really hard, like twist really hard. It can be very uncomfortable though, but if you want to use cream to moisturize your hand, that would be perfect, which I did. So you just go ahead and twist really hard. As you're doing that, you just see that the twist will just begin to align by itself. Yeah, so you just twist really hard, then you'll be fine. With that, you won't have unraveled twist. As you can see how neat and smooth my twist is because I was twisting really hard. So that's the trick. You twist with all your mind. So let's do another one though. Okay, right now I'm doing my box braid first, like so. Please ignore the kids on the background, they're just my kids. And so I just go ahead and separate it into two, like so, what I'm doing right now. After that, I'll begin to twist. So I'm going to twist really hard and twist really hard. You twist, you turn it, you twist, and you just be fine. So that's how you do the perfect Senegalese twist. It's not so hard. All you need is just to cream your hands to make it soft on your hand, and you'll be fine. I don't wanna care. It's being I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good? Alone, nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care. It's being I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away.
Okay, let me say this real quick. If you have plans on trying this my technique of doing my wig, so what I normally do, so I did like 4 lines on the left, 4 lines on the right. So I did the first lines into 6 boxes, then the second line I did like 5 boxes, then the 5 boxes, and the third line I did it again into 6 boxes, then the last line into 5, so making 8 altogether, 4 on the left, 4 on the right. So in case you're gonna try it, I know you can do it, girl. You've been doing great. Some amazing girls have been doing some amazing jobs. So then the back into 4 as well. So in case you're gonna try, that's how I ventilated my closure. Yeah, so thank you.
I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like a.
So that's the end for the closure area. So now for the back, we just end up and do single braids. So that's my mini crochet pin. So I just went ahead, take just a little bit of my braiding hair. I'll just put it into my pin and pull it out of my wig cap like so. And the next thing I did, I'll grab my braiding hair, then I'll braid first as well. You have to, either you braid you twist immediately, or you braid first, but I prefer to braid it first because of the net, because the whole hair cannot pass through the net. So I just braid it first, and before I twist. So anyone you want to do either braiding it first or twisting it immediately is fine.
How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that. We could sit and do